Good morning. Today we are going to brunch, maybe going to a big like vintage swap meet situation. And then I have a bunch of like little errands to do. I have to drop off an order. I have to pick up an order. I'm using the Tatcha water cream. I've only used the purple ones and they're very luxurious. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready and see you after. Okay, ready. Sometimes the other half of me jumps out a little more, if you know what I mean. Spicy? Can you please order the potato hash? Okay.
Can you order one more? One more of this? To go or for here? No, here.
Thank you. Hi vlogmas. Remember earlier when I was like, oh, I might go to like a vintage swap meet and we'll see where the day takes us? Yeah. Hello? I'm not doing any of that. I think I'm gonna edit, then I'm gonna clean, and I'm gonna break my okay, I'm gonna edit, clean, and then I was gonna say we could order dinner, but I'm already so hungry. I think I'm just gonna eat some of these ghost pepper chips from Trader Joe's. And I did just buy 2 perfumes from Sephora. One of them being Margiela by the fireplace, and one of them being Burberry Her, the elixir, which is supposed to be like 102 for that and like 85 for the Margiela, and I got them both for free. Girl math. Let me know if you want to know my secrets. I'm gonna have to pick that up. I'm also gonna have to pick up my Bath & Body Works order from the stuff I got from the sale the other day. And then I have a Target order to pick up. Listen, and then I wonder why I have no money left. Cash at me. Okay, we're literally running to Sephora because my order wasn't supposed to be ready till tomorrow, but it's ready now and they close in 30 minutes. So let's go. Secured the bag. Okay, so I got 2 perfumes. One of them is the Margiela by the fireplace. Retails for $85. Got it for $0. Don't think you can see. Next one is the Burberry Her elixir, which this is smaller than I thought it would be. I'm gonna open it now because I need the instant gratification. What are all the sounds going on here? Confused. I look insane also. I did want to get a little treat or dinner or something, but I'm just gonna cook my blue apron that I got. Anyways, if you want to know how I got both of them for $0, let me know. You know, there are some things I say that I know immediately I'm gonna hate and regret when I watch this, like editing, so future me, I'm sorry for doing whatever that was. Why are there so many like lights and cameras in action? I can't deal with this right now. I have wanted Burberry Her for actual light years, and then they came out with the elixir, which I wanted even more badly, and here we are. Now I have it, except I can't open it. Hold on. Okay, we got it. This little thing's $85, actually $102. I'm sorry, $102. This little thing, ridiculous. Let's smell it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good! It's so good. And I like that it's this small because I can just put it in my bag. That, so worth it. By the fire, you know what? I don't have time to talk right now. I gotta go. Okay, we made it to Target pickup. I'm worried because I have 5% battery and it's jumping in here. So hopefully they get to me before my phone dies.